Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best kitchen towels on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Clothes. Microfiber serves some very specific purposes in the kitchen and in cleaning. It's reliably 100% free of lint, so it's great for drying dishes and glassware. For cleaning, users of microfiber cloths swear by being able to clean with little more than a bit of water. But these are smaller cloths, and because microfiber is synthetic, they aren't meant to be super absorbent. Remember, too, that they have no heat resistance at all. They'll melt or burn if they touch an oven rack or burner. With all that in mind, they're great to have around, but not an all-purpose towel. Material: polyester or polyamide blend. Dimensions: 12 into 16 inches. Machine washable. Yes, count, 24. What we like: lint-free. Textured surface useful for scrubbing. Smaller and more agile for delicate jobs. What we don't like: not heat resistant. Synthetic fibers don't absorb the same way cotton would. Number 2. Our second best pick is Utopia Kitchen Flour Sack Dish Towels. This 12-pack of flour sack dish towels are an excellent way to minimize use of paper towels in the kitchen. Soft enough to use for hand drying, they're also sturdy enough for all the vigorous kitchen tasks. Measuring 28 into 28 inches, these towels are lint-free and machine washable. Flour sack towels make some of the best dish drying towels because they are highly absorbent and leave no residue behind, just a streak-free shine. These are thin enough to be used as cheesecloths, or for cleaning up various tumbles and spills in the kitchen. Material: cotton. Dimensions: 28 into 28 inches. Machine washable. Yes, count, 12. What we like: lots of fun colors. Nearly lint-free fabric. Thinner and more agile for delicate jobs. What we don't like: thinner towels are not great for handling hot surfaces. Uneven manufacturing quality. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zeppoli Classic White Kitchen Towels. Made with strong and durable cotton material, these 25 into 14-inch kitchen towels showcase a herringbone weave that makes them lightweight, absorbent, and minimizes lint. They're quick to dry, which lowers the risk of mildew or any funky smells. Easy to wash and dry with minimal shrinkage, this 30-pack means you will have a constant supply of kitchen towels for your use. Keep a pair or two in your kitchen, and you will eliminate the need to use paper towels for all those little cleanup jobs. Material: linen or cotton. Dimensions: 14 into 25 inches. Machine washable. Yes, count, 15 or 30 per pack. What we like: linen or cotton blend minimizes lint. Blend also allows for faster drying. Comes in multiple colors. What we don't like: thin fabric, so less absorbent. Not lifetime quality. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Utopia Towels Kitchen Bar Mops Towels. These Utopia towels stand up to the rigors of food prep in both home and professional kitchens. Measuring 16 into 19 inches, the size is perfect to put under a chopping board to stabilize it, and the appropriate thickness makes it easy to give your knife a quick cleanup before getting on with the next chopping job. Hemmed edges prevent unraveling, while the ring-spun cotton makes them super absorbent and lightweight. The terry loops on both sides create extra surface area for completely drying off all surfaces and scrubbing off spills without scratching any surfaces. At the end of the day, throw them in the wash, and they will be ready to tackle another busy kitchen day with you. Material: ring-spun cotton. Dimensions: 16 into 19 inches. Machine washable. Yes, count, 2. What we like: holds up to repeated uses. Textured surface useful for scrubbing. Comes in many colors. What we don't like: not lifetime quality. Unreliable edging. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Now Design's Ripple Kitchen Towel. Turkish cotton is well known for its softness and absorbency. It stands true for these kitchen towels as well. Measuring 24 into 18 inches, these towels are soft, thick, and incredibly absorbent. The Now Designs towels come in a set of 2 in many colors, from Bali blue to London gray, and feature a rich design. The versatile towels can be used to dry hands, pots, dinnerware, and even stemware. Easy to maintain as they are machine washable, they are a good addition to your kitchen linen collection. Material: Turkish cotton. Dimensions: 18 into 28 inches. Machine washable. Yes, count, 2 per pack. What we like: variety of colors match any kitchen. 100% cotton has great absorbency. Ribs style helps with scrubbing. What we don't like: colors can't be sanitized by bleach washing. Terry cloth can leave lint behind on surfaces. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.